Hello everyone, warm welcome to students, academicians and my dear friends. I am Rohit Shankar Shinde, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Chemistry of Mahatma Gandhi Vidya Mandir's Arts, Science and Commerce College, Manmad. I am here to talk about molecular orbital theory. Now, before we begin to MOT, I will discuss first background and importance of MOT. Before the molecular orbital theory, many theories were developed by scientists which explained stability, structure, bonding, and formation of molecules, shape, geometry, bond angle, and hybridization in a molecule. Those theories are octet rule, Chadwick-Powell theory, Hitler-London theory, Pauling-Slater theory, and VSEPR theories. VBT was coined by Hitler London and extended by Pauling-Slater. Valence bond theory explained geometry of molecule, shape of molecule, and formation of the molecule. But valence bond theory has certain limitations. It fails to explain the magnetic properties of a molecule. It does not explain formation of H2 plus and He2 plus ions. It cannot explain the magnetic nature of O2 molecule correctly. Bonding in electron deficient species was also not explained by the valence bond theory. According to VBT, O2 molecule is diamagnetic, but in reality it is a paramagnetic. To overcome these limitations, molecular orbital theory was introduced. Introduction to MOT. Molecular orbital theory was found by Hund and Mulliken. This theory described the bonding between the atoms. It allows one to predict the distribution of electron. It also helps to predict bond order, magnetism, and energy, either stabilization or destabilization energy in the molecule. Postulates of MOT. According to MOT, molecule is made up of atoms. When a molecule is formed, atoms lose their individual properties. Molecular orbital are associated with a whole molecule. Electrons in a molecule are delocalized. In molecules, atomic orbitals combines to form molecular orbitals which surround the molecule. The wave function of molecular orbitals is obtained by linear combination of wave functions of atomic orbitals. Some features of MOT and comparison with the VBT. So according to VBT, atomic orbital is monocentric, while according to MOT, molecular orbital is polycentric. That is, it consists of more than one nucleus. Molecular orbital are derived from the constituent atoms. Just as the atomic orbitals in an atom are named as s, p, d and f, the molecular orbitals in a molecule are named as sigma, pi and delta. Molecular orbitals possess different shapes and energies. The molecular orbitals are arranged in the increasing order of energy. Two notations are used in MOT. First one is psi and other one is a phi. Psi denotes the probability of finding the electron in a particular molecular orbital. Psi is wave function of molecule, while phi is wave function of atoms. while filling up the electrons in molecular orbitals. Bose principle and Hund's rules are used. The atomic orbitals of two or more atoms combine to form a molecular orbital only when they have close distance, similar energy, matching symmetry, and matching geometry. Here is one simple example of molecular orbital diagram. So this example is of H2 molecule. H2 molecule is formed after the combination of two hydrogen atoms. Both the hydrogen possess one electron in their 1s atomic orbital. So these two atomic orbitals, atomic orbital of first hydrogen is shown here and atomic orbital of other hydrogen is shown here. So these two atomic orbital combines and forms two molecular orbital. So according to the postulates of MOT, the number of molecular orbital formed is exactly equal to number of atomic orbital combining. In this diagram, the energy is also shown. From bottom to top, energy is increasing. Here, after the combination of atomic orbital, two molecular orbitals are formed, out of which the lower energy molecular orbital is called as bonding molecular orbital, while the higher energy molecular orbital is called as anti-bonding molecular orbital. The bonding molecular orbital is shown here by the name sigma, while anti-bonding molecular orbital is shown by the name sigma star. So after this simple example, we will discuss the LCAO approximation. It is known by another name, LCAO principle. LCAO stands for linear combination of atomic orbitals. As per this method, the formation of molecular orbital is due to the linear combination of atomic orbitals, which combines to form the molecule. So let us consider two atoms A and B, whose wave functions are given by phi A and phi B. If electron cloud of these two atoms overlap, then the wave functions for the molecule can be obtained by linear combination of atomic orbitals. Here one equation is given, psi is equal to phi A plus or minus phi B. The above equation forms two molecular orbital. It means that for the formation of molecule, we have to do either addition of wave functions of atomic orbital or subtraction of wave function of atomic orbitals. The above equation indicates the formation of two types of molecular orbital, out of which first one is a bonding molecular orbital. When addition of wave function takes place, the type of molecular orbitals formed are called bonding molecular orbitals, and it is represented by this equation. Psi g is equal to phi a plus phi b. Here you can see phi a and phi b. These two wave functions of two atomic orbitals are added with each other, and there is formation of wave function of molecule. Here G stands for GRAD. GRAD means even or similar. As you can see, the wave functions of both the atoms, that is phi a and phi b, have similar sign, that is plus phi a and plus phi b. That's why the small g is used here. Molecular orbital have lower energy than the atomic orbitals involved. So in this diagram, you can clearly see the combination of the wave function of atomic orbitals having the same sign. So you can see the hydrogen atoms, first hydrogen and second hydrogen atom. Both the hydrogen atoms have the wave functions phi1 and phi2. So wave functions are having similar sign. As a result, there is increase in electron density, and such type of interference is called as a constructive interference. In the second diagram, you can see the wave functions are having different sign. Here you can see first hydrogen has plus sign, second hydrogen has a minus sign. It results in the formation of destructive interference, which is also called as a waves out of phase. Two different types of equations are written here. First one is psi g is equal to phi1 plus phi2. Another one is a psi u phi1 minus phi2. Here G stands for G-rad, that is even. U stands for un-G-rad, that is dissimilar or odd. The second type of molecular orbital, that is ABMO. When molecular orbital is formed by subtraction of wave function, the type of molecular orbital is called as anti-bonding molecular orbital. So subtraction of phi A and phi B results in the formation of psi U. Okay, so here U stands for un-G-rad or odd. Un-G-rad means dissimilar. So wave functions are having a different signs. So that's why psi U is formed. Molecular orbitals having higher energy than the atomic orbitals. It is a destructive interference, as we have seen in this diagram. Formation of bonding and anti-bonding molecular orbital. So consider the energy is increasing from bottom to top. These are the two isolated hydrogen atoms. After the addition of wave function of the atomic orbitals, it results in the formation of bonding molecular orbital, which is shown by sigma 1s. While after the subtraction of wave function of the atomic orbital, it results in the anti-bonding molecular orbital, shown as sigma star 1s. Thank you for watching this video. In next video lecture, I will explain shapes of sp-d orbital and different types of combinations of atomic orbital. For any queries, contact me on my email ID. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.